Hello, congratulations on your pregnancy. If you're here, either there's a good news or it's on the way. So you're stepping into one of the most exciting journeys of your life, and I'm here to support you through it one step at a time. And we recently started making episodes on pregnancy care and nutrition. Our first video was about pre-pregnancy planning, care, nutrition, with a lot of tips from Ayurveda. And in today's video, we'll be talking about the first trimester, those first 12 weeks where everything starts happening so fast. Hey people, welcome to Tots and Moms. My name is Kavitha, and in today's video, we are talking about first trimester care and nutrition in our pregnancy series. From your baby's first heartbeat to the beginning of major developments, this time is crucial, and I'm sure you would agree. But don't worry, there are some tips which can help you manage the changes, stay healthy, and feel your best. We'll first talk about the common challenges in the first trimester, because it is both happy and a skeptical moment sometimes, looking at what all challenges you have been facing both physically and emotionally. Now the first trimester often brings in physical challenge, as I said. One of it is morning sickness, then fatigue, frequent urination and mood swings. Now listen to your body. Resting when needed and maintaining a positive mindset can help manage these symptoms. But yes, all that gets too difficult and overwhelming at that situation. Emotional well-being and family communication. Your mental health is as important as your physical health. In this era, I'm sure most of them give importance to mental health, which was not there then with the last generation, I can say. So hormonal changes can cause mood swings. Let's accept that and maintain a balance by doing meditation, practicing mindfulness, staying calm as much as possible. Now, if it is about sharing the pregnancy news, most of us hesitate until the first trimester is completed, until you're sure about the pregnancy being carried forward, because there is a lot of practical medical concern that may happen. So waiting until then for the other people is fine, but please ensure you communicate well to your family, because you also need that emotional and physical support with all that you go through. And remember, a pregnancy doesn't make you a patient or dependent. Unfortunately, a lot of Bollywood movies say so. You are as independent as always. Ensure to take care of yourself and do not expect somebody coming in, giving you that multiplied amount of love, care. You can see Bollywood movie. When the girl has to get up from the chair, there is all of the family members coming in. You may start feeling lonely that there is nobody to help you. You may start feeling irritated because your partner couldn't come home on time. So please expect less for your own peace. Physical and mental wellness. Light exercises like walking or swimming for 20-30 minutes boost energy. So please continue doing that. Anything that you have been doing all your life is good. Prenatal yoga and meditation can help relaxation and stress. So please practice that. Prioritize at least 7 to 9 hours of sleep, and this can help support both your mind and body. And most of them have this question about sex during pregnancy. In the first semester, sex is generally safe unless advised otherwise by doctor in case of complications. Otherwise. When to visit a doctor. Your first prenatal visit is typically between 6 to 8 weeks of pregnancy, just after you have got a confirmation at home. And at this appointment, the doctor will confirm your pregnancy, provide an estimated due date, and also assess your health. You may receive prenatal vitamins or supplements and guidance on how to stay healthy, and they will also talk to you about regular checkup and set you up for certain examinations. So be ready for all of that, and time to check your medical insurance if it covers maternity care. Most of them do, but have a check about the amount and keep the documents in place. So baby's growth and development. In the first trimester, your baby rapidly develops from a small bundle of cell into more recognizable form with essential organs such as brain, heart and spinal cord. All of this would have been formed. By the end of this phase, your baby will have fully formed heart, limbs, facial features. Now, this stage requires a significant amount of nutrient and energy from your body. So proper care is necessary. And at the end of this video, I'm also talking about the nutritional readiness and how should you take care of your nutrition and food habits. As it's a wholesome video, I'm putting it up all the details. So I'm also talking about emergency situation, when you will have to meet doctor, and what are the symptoms that you should seek for medical attention. So heavy vaginal bleeding or severe abdominal pain, dizziness or fainting, high fever that keeps coming back after every 3-4 days, something like that, severe vomiting which has led to dehydration, also these sharp sudden cramps that you can feel suddenly somewhere, you can sense that, and please immediately visit the doctor. I don't want to bring in fear, but let's get practical. These may be signs of miscarriage or ectopic pregnancy, which you can take care of immediately. I had vaginal bleeding in the first month of pregnancy. I was admitted in the hospital overnight. I was given some medication. I had thought that I have almost lost the baby while I was on the way, but as soon as I went there, doctor examined and they said this is a strong child. I can hear the heartbeat very well. So this is how I have a 10-year-old now. So a personal reality if I have to share with you. Focus on 4 key nutrients in the first trimester food. So folic acid supplementation would have been given, but most of the time it can be taken care by food. But in the current scenario where our lifestyle is different and also our food habits different, majorly we are undergoing nausea, vomiting, so it may be crucial to consider taking supplements, but after advice of the doctor. And folic acid is crucial for brain and spinal cord development and reducing the risk of birth defects, so consider having them through foods like green leafy vegetables. Spinach is great, lentils, and all types of berries, majorly gooseberry or amla. Iron, it is necessary for producing extra blood and preventing anemia, so please consider adding green leafy vegetables, dry fruits, sesame seeds to your diet. Calcium, it is vital for bone and teeth development. Good source of calcium are dairy products, ragi or finger millet, seasonal fruits, nuts and seeds, and omega-3 fatty acids. Now this is important for brain and eye development in your baby, and hormonal balance for you, because this also works a lot on your mental stability. And please include flax seeds, chia seeds, walnuts. As I was talking, yes, we understand there is morning sickness, there is nausea. How much to eat? How much can I eat? I can't. So it is recommended to eat small and frequent meals during this phase. Remember to eat all that healthy you have been eating all your life, do not worry. But just ensure overeating and bogging down to cravings may cause long-term health concerns. Now, yeah, it is also driven from film, or film has driven through real life about all these agendas, but most of them show that pregnant ho sab log sab kuch late hain, like everybody wants to bring in something or the other and feed the mother. As far as it is healthy, it is traditional, it is cultural, you have had it all your life, please have it in moderation, and consider checking out Tots and Mom's calcium, iron and folic cookies. These are made with millet, jaggery and all the goody things that can fill in that calcium, iron and folic. So there are 3 variant of cookies. You can have a look at that Tots and Mom's site. Now first trimester is a time of rapid growth and development for your baby, and it can be challenging for you as we spoke, both physically and emotionally. By focusing on balanced nutrition, staying active, managing stress and seeking timely medical care, you can you can lay a strong foundation for a healthy pregnancy. Just ensure that you listen to your body, take each day at a time, do not stress. If you are suffering from morning sickness, it will not continue for a long time, and it can change from baby to baby, it can change from woman to woman. So in my first pregnancy, initially I had no concerns, but later the vomiting started. In my second one, oh my god, vomiting, morning sickness was such a pain, I tell you. So yeah, go on, talk to your friends, listen to their experience and how did it go for them. It can be a very joyful experience and can also help you deal with it. Community matters, especially when you are on a parenthood or parenting journey. So all the very best. And I have 2 video recommendations for you which can be helpful during this period. One is postpartum periods. Once you're done, you can, knowing it is great. When can you expect postpartum periods, and how difficult, how good or bad it is, and stretch marks during pregnancy and postpartum, the most searched topic during pregnancy. So do consider watching them. And on this channel I regularly make videos about women health care, baby food, baby nutrition. So consider subscribing to our channel and go check the playlist in case you like me talking and let me know what tip did you like the most, and what would you like to look forward on this channel. And yes, I'll have to remind you that I'm founder of the brand Tots and Moms Foods. Here we make foods for baby, kids and moms, from cereals to dry fruit mixes for babies to drink mixes made with jaggery, dry fruits and all goody things, and cookies as well. And for moms, we have made calcium, iron, folic cookies, methi shakti powder. So all these products are completely chemical free, as good as made in your kitchen. Definitely trust me when I say this. On our social media page, we have put in a lot of information about us, about the brand, about the factory that we manufacture in Mysore. And yes, an authentic brand which has been serving 2 million and more customers across India and world. Yeah, you can check us out on Amazon, Flipkart, FirstCry, Big Basket, Meesho as well, and on our own site. Go ahead and check, because there are a lot of offers and discounts most of the time on our site, totsandmoms.com. And thank you so much for trusting in me, listening to me till now, and I hope to see you soon in yet another video. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye.